Sir, you are
Good
muted, sir.
afternoon, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Okay, then.
Sir, today we will start new chapter.
See here, one second. See here, this is the aircraft now. See, the
Yes, sir.
aircraft is banked means it is like this. That means wings are at an angle of how much? He says 15
15
degrees.
degrees. 15 degrees.
Because there is no contact, friction won't be there. Only banking is there now. So what is the speed?
So,
750 kilometer per hour.
on the route of RG antenna.
Hmm. Remember yesterday we have done this.
Yes, sir. Yesterday we derived.
Now what we need R now.
Yes, sir. RG antenna.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
What is tan theta? 2 minus root 3, no? Tan 15.
Yes, sir. 2 minus root 3. Tan 50. Yes, sir. 1.7. Yes.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Completed, sir.
Take another problem.
Completed, sir.
Note down this.
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Previous page, sir.
Wait. Let them complete. I'll again come back. At least they'll be trying this problem now when you copy this.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
CBSE will note down this. Shall I turn this? See, this is also, he says there should not be any wear and tear now.
Yes, sir. No wear and tear. So first two says what provides self-centeredness required for this.
For no wear and tear, friction should not exist now.
The question should not exist.
So
Bank to provide necessary syndicated force. This which is normal reaction.
what is asked? Find the
R is 30 meters. 30 meters.
everything is given, no?
Given. Velocity also given, sir. Sir, 15 kilometer per hour. So 15 meter per second. 30,
Radius is 30.
30, 10. Sir, one doubt, sir. So this tan beta equal to V square by Rg is for unbanked rod, no, sir?
Unbanked, hopeless. Theta is only angle of banking, na?
Sir.
So theta is how much? 37 degrees, no? Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Clear?
Clear, sir. But 1 minute, sir.
Finished?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
See here,
Yes, sir.
Sir, this we have done long back ago, sir. Dot product.
suppose that two vectors are there. We need this now.
Yes, sir.
It's a dot operator. This is called dot operator. A dot B is modulus of A mod B cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Followed this? Clear?
Also. Clear.
That's why we can say that angle between the vectors is nothing but
Cos A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar.
agreed. So
Agreed.
remember that. It may be positive.
Theta is acute. So is also positive. Is positive. Positive. Theta is obtuse. A bar dot B bar is negative. Yes. Cos theta is negative.
Followed this.
Followed, sir. Followed.
Similarly, what is d dot j?
Sir, is one. Mod J.
See, remember this is the angle vector along x y axis, no?
Yes, sir. Vector along y
Angle between y axis and y axis is how much?
zero. Zero, sir. Zero. One. K cap dot K cap is also one.
Remember this?
Remember, sir. Remember.
Angle between I and j, that means x axis and y axis, how much?
90 degrees.
90 degree.
Sir, 0. Zero, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
I'm just reviewing because this is needed now. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Complete.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Now, suppose it's a vector b bar. Another vector is there, a bar. Now, can you tell what is the component of this along this direction? This component is how much?
B bar cos theta.
This is mod b cos theta. What is this?
Mod B sin theta.
So, mod b is component of what?
B along B bar along x B bar along A bar.
Okay, so that means
Yes, sir. Component of B bar parallel to A bar. B mod B bar cos theta. Mod A bar dot B bar cos theta. Yes. A bar dot B bar by A bar. Mod A bar.
agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree.
You remember that you need B along A, that along will come down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose we need this is a scalar component. Means only magnitude only, no?
Yes, sir. Only magnitude.
What is the vector component?
Sir. Sir. A
That
bar
means you
dot
should give directionally, no? Nothing else.
by into A cap
Along what?
along A bar. Direction of A bar.
A cap. Understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
This is nothing but
Uh,
unit vector.
yes, sir. Uniform.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
One,
1 minute,
sir.
sir.
One.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
Now you can see mod B cos theta plus, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes.
Now we have seen that this is A bar,
Yes, sir.
this is A bar. Okay, this is B bar. And just now you found that this is theta, this is component parallel to B.
Yes, sir.
This is component perpendicular to B, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, A bar dot B bar by mod A.
Okay, I'll write it fresh. Agreed?
Agreed, sir. B parallel. B perpendicular. Component of B along A bar.
Just now you got this. What is that?
So A bar dot B.
Okay. Now you know that is nothing but B bar on, Now
Yes, sir,
you
B bar.
want component, what will do?
B bar minus B parallel. A bar dot B bar by A bar into A cap.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. So one doubt, sir. So
Tell.
simply we said to find component of B bar along A bar, then we have to write vector or scalar component, sir. Here we wrote vector.
You will mention.
Ah, okay, sir. Clear, clear.
Because if you take scalar component, you cannot do add like this now. This vector additional,
Yes, sir. This was tradition.
Then
Clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
this is from where triangle of vectors, no?
Yes, sir. Triangle of vectors. Yes.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir.
One
One
minute.
minute. Completed.
Right. Now suppose now I can write this as B parallel component. What is this?
V perpendicular component.
Sorry, A parallel. What is A parallel? Do you agree with this? Which component is this? That is nothing but
B dot A dot.
now I can multiply and divide by B now. Okay.
minus A.
Do you agree with this direction? No?
Agreed,
Any
sir.
doubt? The same thing what you had done earlier.
Yes.
Now also
Is equals to A.
मैम आया था करना मैम देखते नहीं कितने कितने आवाज आ रही है खाली
agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, follow.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, how A parallel is equal to A cos theta?
You did not hear previous discussion, huh? Previous discussion you did not hear, huh?
I heard, sir.
What is all same thing, no? I have done for B. Now I want for A. It's ridiculous,
Understood, sir.
man. This is a vector like this. I want to know the vector in this direction. What you should take, with what it makes, what component it will become.
Sir, mod A bar plus theta. Makes it.
That is what I have done here. What is there in that?
Yes, sir. Thanks. Understood.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
If a vector makes some angle with one line, then A cos theta will the component along that line, no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that
A bar dot B bar.
along what it comes, that will come here.
Yes.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Along this,
Not
no,
a
you'll
bar.
write A cap. That's all. Clear? Like,
Clear, sir.
like that, you can find anything.
P bar dot Q bar by mod Q. Sir, P bar dot Q bar by mod Q bar into Q cap.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Along what that will come in the denominator. Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
Now suppose if there is a vector, all this I have completed earlier in vectors. At that time, we are still dreaming that school teachers are nice, all that. No? At that time, I taught you all this.
Yes, sir.
But I am revising because now you need all these concepts. Is nothing but ax bx plus ay
AY
multiply the y component, multiply
AZ.
the z component.
Yes,
Clear? So
clear,
this
sir.
is what we need for going further with work power energy. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose this is a body.
Yes, sir.
Now I am applying a force here.
Sir, once can you show the previous picture, please?
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Madam,
Done, sir.
you that fellow who joined and dropped, catch that fellow. Who is that idiot? 49 to 48 has come. Okay, you can see there is a provision to check that who joined, who left. You know that, no?
Yes, sir.
Madam, you know or not?
We know, sir.
Right. Now suppose this body is displaced like this. Now suppose the body comes here. Is the point P. Now you can see that S is displacement of point of application of force.
Yes.
What is this? S bar
Displacement of point of application of force.
Do you agree till here?
Agree, sir.
Then work is defined as understood this?
Yes, sir.
That means what you understood from this work done,
F cos theta into H.
what is the component of this
F cos theta. Mod F cos theta.
into displacement now?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Sir, can you explain that work is defined as that one? I can't understand properly, sir. Excuse me, sir.
1 second.
Okay, sir.
See, definition means what? Naming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are
Already.
named with something. That means you are defined with that name, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
definition means just a naming. What is work? They named this one. What is that? What is the force component along displacement? This is the point of application of force. The when the body moves, the point of application comes from here to here, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What they thought is they have taken the force component in the direction. What is that? F cos theta. Okay. With
sir.
that, they multiplied the displacement, point of application of the force. They call that as work. That's the reason why it was defined.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Sir, once again repeat, sir.
Why? What happened to you, man? See, man, there is a force, no? This force has a, somewhere the force should be applied, no?
Yes, sir. Somewhere must be
I am
applied, sir.
applying here. Now the body is moving. When the body moves, this P moves some displacement, no? That I call displacement of point of application of force. Okay, along that find the component of force. What is the component? F cos theta.
F cos theta.
Of course, it-
Just multiply, that is defined as work.
yes, sir. Defined as.
Understood this?
Understood.
Clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Sir, once again, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that simplest way is okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood this? Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right.
It's 4:53.
Completed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir, 1 minute.
Complete. Complete.
Sir, 1 minute, show the previous slide, sir.
Take a screenshot when I remove this.
Sir, last part.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
This one is completed? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means if any body is there, the force is applied here, and suppose the body moves up to here.
Yes. Point where force is applied.
This is theta.
Yes,
Agreed?
agreed, sir.
You can see that so we define
Work done.
F cos theta into AB.
Yes.
Sir, this boy is opening mic.
Many times hidden, sir.
Yes, sir.
hmm?
Many times this boy is opening mic, sir. Abdul Moki something his name is, sir. JL40.
Okay. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear,
So
sir.
simply speaking, so in the simplest language, therefore, we can say work done.
More simple placement.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
तुम रोमन से कहते अभी आवाज बदली कर तुम आए
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
वेट से
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Take a screenshot.
यस सर
See. What is the displacement of this?
x2 minus
Remember
x1.
this?
Yes, sir, remember. y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. F bar dot s bar. So fx into x2.
So this is fx. Displacement in this direction, I don't know.
Yes, sir. x2 minus x1 plus fy y2 minus y1 plus fz into z2 minus z1. Yes,
Understood this? Is it clear?
understood, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
మరి వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారో నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, will you come to college if offline classes start, sir?
No, I won't come.
Why, sir?
Why should I come? Not.
Sir,
Huh?
for L40 also it is gonna start soon, sir. Sharma sir and Ari sir were telling that soon they will start physical classes.
Who told me?
Sharma sir, sir.
Who
Yesterday
is
he got
Sharma
call
sir to
from
Who is Sharma sir to decide on this?
yesterday he got a call from the college, sir.
Who?
Sharma sir got a call from the college that offline classes
Oh.
will be starting soon.
Hmm. So
And Ari sir was also telling, sir.
Sir, what is that, sir? Work done by?
Maybe some other person may teach. I don't teach. I don't know.
Sir,
What
Sir,
else?
what is that, sir? Work done by?
Work done by force F bar
Okay, sir.
is defined as
Yes.
let us see. Another 1 more month only. After that, IP will start. Any sense is there?
No, sir.
Sharma sir will tell 1,000 things. Man. He is a faculty of on corporate college. Corporate college means full of lies only, nothing else. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For day scholars only, so far there are no classes. They are going with mobile, sitting there and coming.
Yes, sir.
You use common sense, man. Right. Now we can see work done. Now this is scalar or a vector?
Scalar.
Vector, sir.
Scalar, sir.
O plus fellow. This is scalar product now.
Scalar, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Scalar dot product.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Why? Because mod f is scalar. There is no direction now.
No direction.
Modulus is a scalar now.
Scalar, sir.
Cos theta is also a number scalar. There is no direction for cos theta now.
No direction, sir. Scalar.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
What is the dimensions of work done?
So,
Dimension of force.
dimension of displacement. Dimension of cos theta.
This is nothing but force is mass into acceleration.
MLT in minus
This cos theta has no dimensions. Those who do not know dimensions, don't worry. For those who know, I'm just reviewing.
no dimensions. Yes.
This is work done dimension. Okay. So what is the unit?
So joule,
SI unit. This is kg.
kilogram, meter square,
This is meter square. Second power minus 2. Called joule.
Yes.
Suppose you need CGS unit. Mass is what? Gram. This is centimeter square
Second.
Sir,
called erg. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Already we proved that 1 joule is 10 power 7 ergs in units and dimensions.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Already we established all this. You can verify that. Finished?
No, sir.
1 minute.
Those who are absent, don't get worried much about this. Okay. Again, later we'll be revising. Shall I turn this?
No, sir. Wait.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. Sir. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if theta is less than 90, what is cos theta?
Cos theta is positive. Then is positive. Cos theta is equal to 0.
0. Negative.
See, first they'll talk to student, not for staff. Student should be. Did you get a call?
No, sir.
L40, if you get it, then you tell.
Yes, sir.
Only for him he got call. I was not. I did not receive any call. Krishna Mohan did not receive.
Sir, Krishna Mohan sir told he will not come till he take vaccine.
Yes. Okay. Anyhow, till here you follow. Note on this.
Followed, sir.
That means work done can be positive, negative, or zero.
0.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is this work done? Let us see. Another 5 minutes you can go. See, suppose this is a body. This is accelerating in this direction. This is the velocity vector. Okay. Now this is theta. So what will happen? This body goes on like this. Say at some point it has velocity v. Okay. So along this direction, what you have? Initial velocity v square minus u square 2 into what is the acceleration in the direction? Into followed. So
Yes, sir.
here the body has traveled from here to here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you write like this?
We can
Yes,
write,
sir.
sir.
Do you agree or not?
Yes,
Agree,
sir.
sir.
Now I'll multiply by m.
Into
Okay, I'll
S.
send this.
Yes, sir. Half of V square minus half of V square.
Okay,
Into
this is nothing but
Mass into acceleration cos force into S cos theta.
this is force into s into
S
cos
cos
theta, no?
theta. Yes,
What is
sir.
this? F dot s, no?
Yes,
What
sir.
is this? Work done, no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Do you agree with this or not? So what is
agree.
the moral of the story?
Work
Change in
done.
kinetic energy is equal to work done.
Work done equals what?
Changing kinetic energy of system.
So you're doing work means you're what you're doing, you're supplying kinetic energy. That is the meaning. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubts.
This is only work energy theorem.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Madam?
Yes, sir.
Madam
I
is
was
not there.
making a note of these people who left, sir. I won't allow them from the beginning next time.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
People are leaving themselves, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Where are
was
you?
cross-checking and making a note of these people.
Hmm?
In the beginning of the class, I called them. I made them join. Then, before the meeting ends, they are leaving automatically.
Who are those
So
people?
I won't allow them from the beginning, sir.
No, who are those idiots actually? No, don't allow them for all classes. Then. Who are those idiots? Those fit for nothing fellows,
Murtaza.
you make a, you take a, and you prepare a list of all these people.
Yes, sir. That's what I was doing. Without calling, I was silently making a note of them.
All of you followed till here, man?
Follow, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, then go to your prayer. We'll continue tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow you don't have RFSR class, huh?
Having, sir. Having.
We have, sir.
Having, sir.
We have, sir. On Saturday we
Oh,
don't have.
Saturday it won't be, huh? Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, we don't have Krishnamurti sir class, sir.
But
Yes,
that
sir.
is the morning, no? That
In the
is of no
morning.
use.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
At that time I have other classes. What time is your Krishna sir class?
From 10
10 to 11.
a.m., sir.
At that time I have other class. Okay then, right.
Bye, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, assignments for Newton's law of motion, sir.
Wait, I'll send one by one. Wait.
Okay, sir. Bye.